with you? Hey guys, what's up with you?
Wow, Kel.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. I do lifestyle and beauty videos every single week. I upload every single Thursday and occasionally on Tuesdays. Today what I got going on for you guys is I'm actually going to be doing a day to night makeup look. Someone needs attention all of a sudden. I did get the opportunity to try out a bunch of new products today from Glo Skin Beauty. If you guys don't know who Glo Skin is, I will link all of their socials and everything down below as well as their website. If I use any of their products in this video today, then those will be linked individually down below as well. I absolutely love repping for a brand like them and being able to share their products with you guys. The premier product today is their new eyeshadow palette, and it's what I use to create my day and my night look. These looks are very transitional and super duper easy to use on your day-to-day basis.
say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Alright you guys, that's gonna be it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to go check out Glo Skin Beauty. Their stuff is awesome. I've been using their skincare for about 2.5 years now, maybe two years, I don't know. But like I said, all of their socials and every single product that I use from them will be linked down below in the description. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. I do vlogs, beauty, lifestyle videos, all sorts of fun stuff on this channel here. If you guys are a big fan of mukbangs, you can go check out my mukbang playlist right here. Like I say in every single one of my videos, I absolutely love each and every one of you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!